51% minus 9.8 every 12 days. So we've got what? 5 times 12 is 60? We've got 60 days or so. 2 months. That's not too bad. Yeah. Okay, that's not too bad. I'm nodding as if you can see me. I'm like, yeah, that's not too bad. I'm just gonna nod. Yeah, yeah. But you can't see me. You're completely relying on my voice for entertainment. So I decided to stop talking and nod, even though you can't see me. It's a strange time we live in. We're already at 36% already, which is quite good. But we do need a full 100% for full annexation. Or as close as we can get. Sometimes they might do it a bit less, but very, very rarely. But it doesn't matter, because hopefully soon we'll be able to become dukes. Duke, 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 duke. What, what's the religion map mode like? Oh, we do want Dublin. The holy site would be good for us. It would give us a lot more piety per month, which is this one. So this and this added together, every time we die equals our total points. And then by 1444, you know, it adds up all your points. You're like, whoa, look how great my family was. It's like, yeah. Ooh. Oh, I suppose I'll go kill them. Go to Connacht? Nobody wants to go to Connacht. It's a shithole filled with culchies. They're learning all these terms about the, true history of Ireland. This is the way things really went. Ulster were frivolous with their money, then typed cash into God's command console, and they got a load of money, and then were able to fund their armies. Is that not how it worked? You sure? I'm pretty sure that's how it worked. I remember reading it in a history book at some point, you know, um, and then, you know, they were still Celtic and pagan in the late 700s. Uh, Probably not. But it's nice to dream. Insert violins. I'm just gonna. You go there and there. Yeah. There we go. So you're gonna walk there, attack, and then walk back. That way I have to do less clicking. I can just sit here with my arms crossed and talk to you guys. So, how are you? We're about to win this battle. Is that a woman leading? Sheesh, whoa. They really are desperate. God, a woman leading. God, madness, madness. Oh, as soon as they get back, pausey wausey. Actually, I continue playing exactly what's gonna happen. I mean, what's gonna happen? I just don't know. Sorry, man. We're gonna offer you peace of enforcing demands. 100 prestige, 100 piety, and what is it? Yes, and yeah. Oh, yes. We have. Let's stand down the troops. Yes, I know I won the war. I was just in the war. I just selected. I want to win the war. We only lost like 100 men, which isn't too bad. Let's make some more offerings to the gods. The worst that can happen is they're not happy. That said, we're not doing the divination again because it bankrupted us and almost had me restart the entire series. Yeah. Praise be the gods. 25 prestige, 15 piety, more piety. Lovely, lovely. Now we might as well upgrade our things because I've got the money. Somehow this happened. I don't know. What are you looking at me like that for? I mean, It was a gift from the gods. What? They're very generous. I gave them 2 gold. They gave me almost 10,000. Actually, no, I was on -10. They gave me 10,000. I mean, do you not want to conquer the country? I mean, I want to conquer the country. I think it would be healthy for us and good for us to conquer the country. Um, Tribes cannot build new holdings. Well, that's new. So yeah, 42263. That really isn't bad. And his betrothed 81400. She's only 11. She's also a girl. Girl. We bankrupted ourselves. We broke ourselves. We conquered a county. We upset the gods, and then the gods gave us infinity money. It's really, really surprising. Oh, autosave. Oh, autosave. Oh, 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 oh. When are you going to finish with the autosave? Oh, 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 oh. Oh no. Have you frozen? I hope you haven't frozen. Let it go. Oh, you let it go. Our claim's still going through there. Let's at least press play. Fast forward all the way. Yeah, go fast. Why don't you go faster? Oh, there we go. Cool. Will we build a upgrade in our province? There's building and building. Everything's built there and here. Okay. Actually, you know what I could do? I could open the thingy and make sure it stays out. Now, with this, why don't we try and attack someone? We can't attack anyone. That is a bit of a nuisance. What is our ambition? Our stewardship is 1. We're trying to get it to 8. We could give it the year. What's this? Okie dokie. Really haven't a good guy, am I? The sun's not bad. We'll be going on a hunt to try to kill ourselves off. September. Oh, we're a while away from September. Oh, coming of age. My child is becoming of age. This is great. Oh, he got his first weapons. Cool. Come on. Clickety click click. Market village. Sure. Okie dokie. Now, what we could do is we could cancel this. We're going to cancel this ambition because this character is going to die soon. He's old and he's an arsehole. Now, we're going to select become King of Ireland. Yes. This will allow us to attack as many people as we want. And this way, screw those fuckers not fighting us. I mean, what a shower of bastards. Now, that go through? It did. So now, if I go to the diplomatic map mode, we have 3 allies. Kildare, Dublin, and Tyrconnell. So, we can either make the decision to attack Connacht. Oh. I think we made the right decision. My character might die here. We can either attack Connacht or Ulster. We go for Connacht. We'll have Connacht, and we could become the Duke of Connacht. What is their scenario like? Let's go back to this map mode. There we go. What is your scenario at the moment there? Mr. He's got no allies, so that's good. We have 3 if it comes down to it. And he's got how many men? 515. What's ours at currently? 628. Strokes beard. Strokes beard. Yeah, we'll hire the Irish band and use them to attack Connacht. I think that's a good idea. Hello, mister. I'm going to declare war on you. Subjugation of Ireland, Casus Belli. Casus Belli.